Delta is a 2020 Ford Transit high top. It's got an extended wheelbase, it's all-wheel drive, and it sits on a 350 chassis. It's got a twin-turbo V6 EcoBoost engine with the odometer at 15,783 miles. This vehicle was purchased in 2021, and the vehicle was just recently finished here in 2022. It receives 17 miles per gallon. For being a literal home on wheels, the driving experience of this van is unreal. This is thanks to the heavy-duty 350 chassis and the aid of dynamic cruise control, lane assist, and backup cameras. The first thing that becomes apparent as you step into the van is its ample interior height. This was a consideration through the van, and I'm happy to say that the ceilings and bed accommodate a tall traveler. Welcoming you as you slide open the door is a fully operable kitchen with full-size stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, and a massive but massively efficient Dometic 75-liter fridge freezer. This fridge freezer is Bluetooth operable from your phone and away from the vehicle, thanks to its Wi-Fi capabilities. Finally, there are lots of drawers and cabinets for easy storage of pots, pans, and pantry items. The kitchen area is also shared by a vanity table, as well as a fully adjustable Legun table and 2 tabletop options that are included. And rounding out this living space is a Dometic toilet that's conveniently stowed away in a box next to the sink. A notable design consideration is the solid 1-inch thick bulkhead wall. This was incorporated to provide privacy, security, insulation, and to create additional overhead storage space. Moving to the very best feature of Delta is the luxurious queen-size bed. With its latest generation memory foam mattress, this sleeping experience sacrifices no comfort. Paired with a warm down comforter, this space becomes a comfy oasis with a view that always changes. While both privacy and stealth were favored over the panoramic rear windows, Delta does have a large rear porthole that provides excellent ventilation and is finished off with a Hunter Douglas thermal blind. This rear window, paired with our 14-inch Air Max ceiling fan and 2 internal Caframo Sirocco fans, create an optimal cross breeze. Optionally, a window can be added to the sliding door. Interior lighting is plentiful and easily adjusted to the mood. It is powered by a self-sustaining solar and lithium power plant, all simply monitored and controlled by a touchscreen. This state-of-the-art power management system is Bluetooth connected, providing information throughout the system both to your phone and via Wi-Fi. Putting things into perspective, the massive 600 amp-hour lithium battery bank is 10 times the amount of a car battery, or enough to power 4 golf carts. These batteries are charged by 450 watts of Renogy monocrystalline, low-profile, flexible solar panels. Additionally, the vehicle can be charged through a battery-to-battery charger using the vehicle's alternator, or lastly, it can be plugged into shore power. A 2,000-watt inverter provides AC power throughout the vehicle and also provides power for the induction cooktop. All wiring is protected by marine-grade Blue Seas breakers and marine-grade copper wiring. The electrical compartment is protected by a flame buster fire extinguisher ball. This compartment is also cooled by a temperature-sensing fan, providing excellent cross-flow ventilation for the refrigerator and electrical components. Across the van from this electrical compartment, you'll find another compartment. Within this bench is a 33-gallon freshwater storage tank. Also within this compartment is a pump that supplies the sink with water. This tank can be filled and emptied conveniently from the back of the vehicle. Access to these compartments is simple thanks to the easily removable bench tops. Tucked behind the walls are 3 different layers of insulation. The first being a sound deadening layer, the second is a layer of Thinsulate 3M insulative material, and the third is a Reflectix layer. The floor is comprised of 2 layers of neoprene, 5/8-inch Baltic birch plywood, and then a vinyl plank flooring laid on top. All of this has been sealed and waterproofed. The interior framing and cabinetry were built using an 80/20 panel construction. 80/20 extruded aluminum was utilized as the support structure. Around this scaffold, panels are independently attached. This method of construction provides incredible strength while accounting for vibration caused by rough road conditions. A diesel heater mounted under the front passenger pedestal provides winter warmth. The LCD controller and gas can are located under the vanity. Diesel heat was chosen over gasoline and propane for both safety and its ability to remove moisture from the van during the wintertime. Delta came from the factory with an AT&T Wi-Fi hotspot. Utilizing this Wi-Fi connection, the 4K Blackview dash cam with its driver monitoring camera can send real-time alerts to your phone. This camera is the van's primary security system. Even in the event of theft and removal of the camera, video footage will still be sent to the user's phone in real time. Various electrical components throughout the vehicle, including the Dometic 75-liter fridge and freezer, can be controlled in this manner. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below, and if this nomadic lifestyle does intrigue you, I encourage you to subscribe. We've got a load of content coming up from this van build in the weeks to come.